Neko, you mash up my life. You mash up my life.
People, welcome back to Yard and Abroad TV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people.
Me pray every time I feel can't do no different. Swear me have a win. That's why I'ma try again.
Neko, why you do it, drunkro? Why you do it? Why you mash up Amari's life, Neko? You wicked Neko. Wagwan people, wagwan, welcome back to my channel, people. So recently, Amari dropped a song called Neko. Her name is Amari DJ Mona Lisa. So she dropped an official video for Neko.
Neko, while I for sunny you are going to. When me and you used to tight to. Never know say you are drunk.
People, you have a buzz in people. What do you think? Leave in the comment section when you think about Neko. And people, Amari is Gully Bop X. If nobody don't know who Amari is, he was one of Gully Bop X. Because me know people know who Gully Bop was. So once you say Gully Bop, you have to associate him with Amari. Once you say Amari, you have to associate her with Gully Bop. And me don't know who is this Neko she a talk about. Neko or Nemo. Finding Nemo. We are going to find Neko right now. Neko, why did you do it? Why you mash up Amari's life, Neko? We are going to put out a APB for you, We are going to file a police report for you, Neko. Why you do it? Neko, just know anywhere there in Jamaica, anywhere there in the world, we are going to find you, Neko. Why you wicked, son, Neko? Why you did this to Amari? You follow your friend them and mash up Amari's life. Even after she help your friend them, send your picnic them go to school, you still mash up her life. Neko, why you do it? Why you do it? People, leave in the comment section. Let me know what you think about Neko. You mash up. Viewers and subscribers, may I tell you, Jamaica is not a real place. But people, yo, when Amari say, they on the street, never have nothing to eat. Me ask if you help me. You say not a bumbo cleat. Yo, people, me not gonna lie. The song funny. Song funny, people, me not gonna lie. That's why you have to love Jamaican people, so you know. Who entertaining, more entertaining than we?
Hey people, I want to know help me. I want to know seriously help me with that one here. I want if I'm me alone or my head take me or something wrong. Yesterday the whole day and me stop to buy all food at the same thing. Me go home, me bathe in the shower at the same thing. Me come out of the shower, me say me take a relaxation at the same thing. Me lie down on my bed before me drop asleep at the same thing. Me wake up this morning, me and make me tea at the same God Almighty thing. No, me drop on the whole day today at the same thing in my head. I mean, I know it'll come out of my mouth too and everything was at the same God Almighty thing. No, me stop to buy some lunch. Me I drive got a restaurant here me now. Neko, you mash up my life. You mash up my life. And me alone, I want for me alone. But I really want for me alone. Me don't know. Me don't know every minute me upon Neko. You mash up my life. You mash up my life. Lord Jesus. Answer me, please, my money diamonds. Me a beg you know. Me alone.
Name another country that more entertaining than us people. We're full of buzz. We're full of energy. We're full of life. We know what go shot. Cause me guarantee, watch that video have some millions of views soon. Cause Jamaicans and a whole just like them fuck Korea people. Sorry for my language. Jamaicans love them type of thing. You see me? So let's leave in the comment section. Let me know anything, people. And if anybody know where Neko there, tell Neko say Amari is looking for him. Cause he mash up our life. Dirty boy Neko. You wicked in Neko. If me did know where them, I'd turn you in to the nearest authorities. Wicked boy Neko. Can't out there mash up Amari life like that. After all you man do for you, Nico, John know man, we are gonna find you. Nico. Alright people, I'm out.